There is a recent advocate for that governor should be signing death warrant.
Yeah.
And again, there is an advocate that is eliminate anything like capital offense that requires governor signing death warrant. On your position as a lawyer, where do you stand?
If we eliminate capital offenses that will warrant governor signing death warrants, we are doomed. Society English. The problem we face in the society will be enormous, and we will not be able to curb it. If there are no punishments for capital offenses, if there are no capital punishment for capital offenses again, I believe you mean people will take somebody on the roadside, slaughter him, and tell you that let them take me to court. Nothing will happen afterward, and who that would have died, and that will be the end of it. If that is successfully done, we are heading towards the end of this generation.
Are you now advocating for signing of death warrant?
Yes, I do.
Your position and what you have in the society?
I'm a legal practitioner and a lecturer at the University of Ilorin, and Dr. Abdulrahaman the same, popularly called Saddam.
Immediate past
Moral Chairman. Thank you very much.
Barrister Ajasa, àwọn èèyàn retí kí ni wọ́n fẹ́ gbọ́, especially gẹ́gẹ́ bí lọ́ọ̀yà fún Ògo Ìlọrin, tí Ògo Ìlọrin sì ní interest nínú kéèsì láti wípé ká má fi ọwọ́ ra tí ó yẹ ká fọwọ́ ra mọ́lẹ̀. Kí ni ẹni sọ fún àwọn èèyàn wa?
Wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A kí gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́ wa. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí gbogbo wa ṣe mọ̀, orúkọ mi ò yí padà. Orúkọ mi ni Barrister Abdulrahaman Ajasa, tí mo jẹ́ lọ́ọ̀yà fún Ògo Ìlọrin. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí gbogbo wa ṣe mọ̀, the first day tí wọ́n àárẹ̀ ni Abdulrahman àtàwọn tó kù ẹ̀. Ògo Ìlọrin àti president àti àwọn PR àtàwọn other members wọ́n wà ní court. On that day, prior to that day, wọ́n ti already visit family àwọn outside tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ti kẹ́dùn pẹ̀lú wọn. So wọ́n dẹ̀ promise àwọn family yẹn pé àwọn máa ensure pé àwọn rí end of this case, àwọn máa ensure pé justice is done. So in fulfilling that, wọ́n ti ní káà náà máa wá sí court láti wá dúró fún family outside léyìí tí a dẹ̀ wá ṣe ní àárọ̀ yìí. But gẹ́gẹ́ bí gbogbo a ṣe mọ̀ by law wípé this present court, ìyẹn magistrate court, ò ní jurisdiction as far as murder case is concerned. So that is why tí wọ́n fi transfer case yẹn lọ sí appropriate court tó ní jurisdiction, which is high court. But today, nígbà tí wọ́n pe case yẹn, àwọn ministry of justice àwọn náà ti already wá telling the court pé àwọn ti already prefer charge ní high court against Ramani àtàwọn tó kù ẹ̀. So therefore, court yìí tó jẹ́ magistrate court yìí ò ní jurisdiction láti gbọ́ case yẹn whatsoever. The best for this court is to wait for the arraignment of Abdulrahman and other and his cohorts at the high court, which I believe at the next adjourned date ibẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n ti arraign wọn. Tó bá dẹ̀ ti lè arraign wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n á wá sí court yìí láti wá terminate proceeding àti láti wá terminate case yẹn. So bí ó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. So thank God wípé wọ́n ti prefer charge against wọn. So we will be waiting for the next adjourned date, the date for the arraignment of Rahman and others. So but thank God today àwọn mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin tó kù tí wọ́n arraign pẹ̀lú Rahman wọ́n ti wà represented, they have a legal representation. But in law, if Rahman did not have a legal representation, there is no way we can move forward. So for those people yearning, agitating that nobody should stand for Rahman because he's a criminal, it's because they don't know what the law says about that. The law is very clear, especially Constitution of Nigeria, that every criminal or every accused person is entitled to be represented by a legal practitioner of his own choice. So therefore, in order to, it will help us to get the justice we deserve or the justice we are yearning for. If this Abdulrahman, ẹni tó pààyàn gangan yìí, tí ò bá ní representation ní kóòtù, a lè lọ anywhere, we will move nowhere. So
kò túmọ̀ sí pé lọ́ọ̀yà tó dúró fún nísìnyí àlè bú lọ́ọ̀yà wípé ó ṣe dúró fún.
wọn ò lè bú lọ́ọ̀yà òun ò tí ì ní lọ́ọ̀yà presently àwọn mẹ́rin tó kù ló ní lọ́ọ̀yà.
tó jẹ́ kí n máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ni wípé àwọn kan sọ pé àwọn ń fẹ́ wo lórí burúkú lọ́ọ̀yà wọ́n sọ oríṣiríṣi tí ó dúró fún un so wọ́n já sí pé bí lọ́ọ̀yà ṣe dúró fún yẹn ó nọ́mà
lábẹ́ òfin.
a sì lè bú lọ́ọ̀yà kó ṣe dúró fún yẹn.
wọn ò lè bú lọ́ọ̀yà because òfin sọ pé irú àwọn accused person ní right to a legal practitioner of his own choice. And in a matter like this tó jẹ́ capital offence a murder case for that matter tó bá yẹ pé justice táwọn ń wá táwọn tó ń pariwo yẹn náà ń wá tí gbogbo wa náà ń sọ pà ń wá ó nídìí ká wá bá ṣe ṣàgbátẹrù bí lọ́yọ̀ ó ṣe represent Ramon ní kóòtù ni tó bá yẹ pé justice yẹn a fẹ́ tètè rí on time bá a bá tiẹ̀ kí ó ní representation yóò jẹ́ kí justice yẹn kó wà delayed wọ́n dẹ̀ ní justice delay is a justice denied so ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo aká parapọ̀ láti ensure pé wọ́n tètè wá lọ́ọ̀yà fún Abdulrahaman so that justice ta fẹ́ yẹn á lè tètè rí ní àsìkò